The annual bird census in Chilika Lake, the largest brackish water lagoon in Asia, began Thursday morning. The counting began at 5:30 this morning and will continue till 1 p.m. During this time, tourist boating is prohibited in the lake. At least 21 teams comprising 5 to 6 ornithologists in each have been deployed in the counting of the migratory and domestic birds in Chilika Lagoon, spreading over Rambha, Balugaon, Tangi, Satapada and Chilika ranges. Attracting a huge number of bird and nature lovers, millions of feathered guests have started arriving from all over the globe to Chilika. The faraway guests mostly arrive from regions like the Caspian region, northern Eurasia, Siberia, Kazakhstan, Lake Baikal, Russia and other neighboring countries every year. They spend the winter here before returning home before the onset of summer. Also, the Forest Department has adopted a new technique and introduced a mobile application, eBird, for counting. Stay tuned to Orissapost Live for more such contents.